So today's plan is to do hiking along with my dog and to find some dead trees and bushes to cut them down and make fire for my evening tea. And that's the plan for today. I will spend some time in the mountains. I'll have to find a good place in the mountains to make fire and spend some time out there. Yeah. Hey, tired? Good boy. Yeah. He loves hiking, by the way, and he's enjoying a lot here. Hey, good boy. Come. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I think I have to go there on that top, but I don't know because the rocks are broken and they're not just much strong, so I might get slip or something can go wrong. So I would prefer to stay here and spend some time here. The question which always comes into my mind is that why I am sorry, there's some, okay, yeah, I need to go that way. Hey baby, come. Okay, yeah. Oh, I think that could be slippery. Okay, yeah, the question always comes to my mind that criticizing others, like why people criticize, you know, the baseless criticism, I can say that if you're doing like the hiking in the mountains, the people won't accept that, and if you're going and spending some time in the cinema, the people won't accept that. There is always a criticism. I don't know what type of people they are, but they love to make criticism. That's their job or hobby or best way to spend their time. I can't say anything about it, but yeah, I need your opinion. If you know, guys, please comment below and answer my question, that why people criticize if they don't do the things which you are doing, so they'll criticize. Anyways, so if you guys know, yeah, please leave the comment below and let me know that if you guys have the answer. Okay, now this is the difficult phase, getting down from one mountain to another, and then I think there is another which I need to climb. Anyways, you doing potty? So this is the first piece and I need 3 of this. It's so windy over here. I've put all the ingredients for tea. It requires the milk, tea and sugar. So it's so windy and the flame is not direct hitting to the pot, but anyway, I'll get it done soon. It will be okay. The direction of wind is not from one side. I'm almost done with my tea. One more thing, the army guys, they came to me and they said that, are you going to stay here tonight? And my answer was yes, obviously no, because I don't have camp and other stuff to stay here at night. So I told them no, I'll leave in a moment. But they said okay, just show us the identity cards, which I've shown them, and they said okay, goodbye, enjoy your evening and tea. beautiful evening and a night, bit scary but not much because I have the protection all the times with me. He's rounding somewhere here. Hey Sheru! He should be here somewhere. So nice. This is the life which I love most. I'm not an urban person actually. I remember my childhood days where we used to go to the river Indus, and on the bank of that river we used to make fire and make tea, same as I'm making today, and enjoy the evening. The circle of our friends, all of them were poets, and we used to give the target to everyone that we are going to meet at the end of this month, for example, and you need to write a poem and come and say the poem in front of us. So we were the circle of 4 friends, and everyone was in our circle was a poet, and it was a beautiful time which I think I can never forget, and that time will never come back, obviously. I think that's the time, because I've finished my tea. It's the time to leave now and to call my dog. I don't know where he is, but he'll definitely come when I'll call him, and then I'll pack up and leave. The only one thing which I would like to ask you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the updates of my new videos. I don't know why people hesitate to subscribe, but yes, your one subscription will encourage us to make more stuff and bring in front of you guys. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you.